Get it in. Give it, Séamus. Oh, it hit me on the head. Oh, you remind me of Sassy years ago with the bird toy, where she couldn't get it out of off the door. What you got? What you got there? Oh. He says, it's so frustrating. Why can't you let me have it? Why can't you let me have it? It's amazing what a couple days makes. He bit me the first couple of days when I tried to take toys from him. And then by the third day, he was kissing me. And now I can grab him and rough him up and take toys from him, and he doesn't bite me. Get it, baby. Hit me again. Oh, here comes the girls. Oh, he's in the rice box now. Come on, Mitzi and Bitzy. Little girls. Here, let's say hi to Mitzi, the pretty girl. And Bitzy, the little itty bitty girl. You're so cute. Look, Bits. Show them how it's done. Show them how it's a toy. Come on. No? Come on. Nope, they're going to go see what the boys are doing. Let's go see. I think they're in the rice box. Oh, look at all three of them gathered here. What's going on in here? What's going on? Oh, there's Angus. There's Gus Gus. What are you guys doing? You going to go down this tube? They're kind of like slow motion playing tonight. I think they're sleepy. So am I. Whew. It's like a playground in here, huh? There's Angus. Gussie. Say hi. Show him your pink dyed tail. Woo. We gotta do it darker next time, but you wouldn't hold still. Oh, somebody's talking. This tube's not that good to film though, boys, because it's kind of dark. Can't see nothing.